Forget vector databases. For most coding agents, a plain folder of markdown beats renting an embedding stack. Call it a folder brain. Specs, CONTEXT.md, and the code they point at. Readable by you. Readable by the agent. No cloud index tax. The vector tax is real. Embeddings, hosting, re-index jobs, stale chunks. You pay monthly to search your own repo. Layout is simple. A specs floor. A context.md that names the project. Code path the agent can open. Stack the folders. Own the brain. Content.md is the map, not the novel. Goals, constraints, where truth lives. Code stays in code. The agent reads the map first. The loop is boring and good. Agent reads context, opens the files named, writes against the specs. No hop through a rented index. Honest catch. Vectors still win on huge corpora, fuzzy search across millions of docs, or product RAG. Coding agents on one repo, folder first. Stop renting a brain for a repo you already own. Give the agent a folder. Keep the context. Kill the embedding tax. Like and subscribe for more agent context that skips the SaaS middleman. Open codes. Keep the folder brain.